Hello!
Hi!
And today I would like to talk about volcanoes. So we are going to go into the realm of geography.
Oh.
Right, this is for my homework and I'm actually really excited for once for doing homework because I get to do what I love, giving you guys content, and I'm teaching you guys a bit as well. So Dave, come on.
Hello.
This is my assistant, Dave. He's going to help me out in explaining the different types of volcanoes. Right, I'm going to start off with Composite. Right, okay, so these are often quite tall volcanoes made up of layer upon layer of ash and cooled lava. They're found on destructive plate boundary, and do you want to explain how they're formed?
Yes, that's because an oceanic plate slips under a continental plate. As this rock is then heated in the mantle, in the magma chamber, the molten rock then is deposited on the surface and then gradually builds up layer upon layer and forms a really tall volcano.
Yes, absolutely. These volcanoes often, when lava breaks down the layers and comes out the side of the volcano as well as the top, can actually have secondaries, and they can have a lot more than other types of volcanoes.
What's a good case study for volcanoes, James?
You should know your case studies.
You should know your case studies, James. What's a very good case study for volcanoes? Oh, look at your book, yeah.
Do you have to do this? Right, okay. We've
done
done that one, but I can't pronounce it.
Okay, that's at the bottom of the screen now, if any of you guys can pronounce
It's
that.
in Iceland.
It's pronounced Eyjafjallajokull, and it's an Icelandic volcano that erupted in 2010, causing massive air traffic delays.
So that's pretty much all you need to know about composite volcanoes.
Okay, so now shield.
It occurs on a constructed plate boundary, and it's basically when plates pull apart from each other.
Yeah, although they're slanted a lot more, so they're a lot more flat, they are still tall. I would like to add actually that shield lava is runny, whereas composite is, yeah.
So we've had the composite volcanoes, otherwise known as Jeffrey, because they occur on the destructive plate boundaries.
Yeah.
You also have the shield volcanoes. And so now we have now we'll move on to the other two, collision.
Yes.
Which is when two continental plates
collide. What is there to say about collision?
They collide.
Exactly. That's pretty much all you need to know.
The final one that you would need to know is conservative, which is on a strike-slip fault when the plate boundaries slide past each other, and that can cause lizards. Okay. You need to imagine the plates, rather than sliding past each other, it's not quite that simple. It's more like if you put your fists together like that and interlocked your knuckles. For them to actually move, you need a lot of force.
Yeah, it's not instant, it's gradual, and it takes a lot of pressure and force.
And when pressure builds up and they interlock together, then that can cause a sudden jarring, which causes earthquakes.
So thanks for watching,
and see you next time. Thank you.
If I was to punch James in the face, what would that be a good example of? Would that be destructive?
That would be destructing my face.
But that wouldn't be
a volcano.
volcano.